Showing a man you love him can be as simple as understanding his needs and expressing your feelings through small yet meaningful actions. Here are 11 actionable ways to show your love. Listen actively, pay attention to what he says, and show genuine interest in his thoughts and feelings. Compliment him, offer sincere compliments, highlighting his strengths, appearance, or achievements. It boosts his confidence and shows you notice and appreciate him. Spend quality time, prioritize spending uninterrupted time together, engaging in activities he enjoys or exploring new experiences as a couple. Support his goals, encourage him to pursue his dreams and be his biggest cheerleader, providing emotional and practical support when needed. Show affection, physical touch, like holding hands, hugging, or simple gestures like a gentle touch on the shoulder, can communicate love without words. Express gratitude, regularly thank him for the little things he does, showing that you appreciate his efforts in the relationship. Cook his favorite meal. Preparing a meal you know he loves is a classic way to show care and consideration. Be thoughtful. Small acts of kindness, like leaving a note, sending a sweet text, or doing something that lightens his load, can mean a lot. Respect his space. Give him the freedom to pursue his interests and spend time with friends, showing that you trust and respect him. Be honest and open. Communicate your feelings and thoughts openly, fostering trust and deepening your emotional connection. Celebrate his successes. Acknowledge and celebrate his achievements, no matter how big or small, showing that you're proud of him. These simple yet meaningful actions can significantly strengthen your bond and make him feel truly loved and appreciated.